Presenting the AUTO-VOX TW1 truly wireless backup camera. It can work with varieties of car models under 33 feet in length, like SUV, pickup, minivan, truck. Equipped with the IP68 waterproof standard, this backup camera will allow you to drive on foggy, rainy, or snowy days without worrying about water damage. Suitable wide-angle 115-degree covers around 3 lanes behind your car, which is enough for you to see all obstacles when reversing or parallel parking. TW1 backup camera applies to the all-in-one design. You can snap it into the top or bottom of the license plate. No worry about against the regulations of the relevant laws, because of blocking the license plate light. Also, you can mount or stick the camera on the car front, rear, side, or in the car to meet your needs.